Hello, I'm Nini. You're welcome here. Um, so I have a half sibling, and it's a sister who always says, "Hey Nini, did you know that Chantel and her family go out in the trees at night and wear robes and stuff?" And this occurred in a recent dream of mine, but I thought about it for a while, and I remember her saying that to me often. Like, since she was like in high school. I don't really know how old she is now, but she's definitely not in high school. So I felt like this could be relevant for someone else too. The secrets are um, about money. This sister or this person she mentioned or their family that she mentioned could be experiencing a void in money or a hole or unfulfilled, feeling empty regarding money. This energy wants you to give up and quit. Um, and the situation is that you could be insatiable. There could be more individuals liking your energy. Um, Also, the current situation is someone could even love you. This was over the money portion. The secrets are that there's a player that's done and could be being protected by Archangel Michael. Always got to be a player in the mix. The secrets are that these people think you're a goofy ass, but that showed up in reverse. And there's like a roller coaster adrenaline rush regarding your energy. And these people don't think you're a queen, and you are. And these people are toxic, and they gossip about you. They say that you're stupid and you're not a queen and you're just goofy. Your family hates your spiritual journey and uses your kids and your house to make you look like you're not spiritual, like you're a hooker or drug dealer, an online whore. They could have isolated your kids from you somehow, like maybe said things about you and got a bunch of people to talk shit about you, and they just don't come around at all. And you don't even get to see your grandkids. um, the secret is to look out for signs. Um, and the situation regarding that is someone is online looking for info and records on you. So be aware of that. Look out for signs regarding that. There's a twin flame in reverse that may want to, that's the secret, that may want to come forward for a meeting with you and meet with you. Or they had a meeting regarding you with two or more people discussing and planning maybe a secret to propose or put an offer on the table. That's the current situation. Maybe the secret is someone wants to marry you, but for now, the current situation is that they want to offer something to you. And the secret is someone's in love here. Maybe it's your sister and the player that's being protected. Hopefully, you know? I don't want to be a player no more. Or the player's an upright, so done is after that card. So maybe they're acting like they're done being a player. I don't know. Anyway, they could be cleansing right now. The current situation is, but the secret is that someone's in love here. Either your sister and this player are in love, and that he doesn't want to be a player anymore for her, which is great, or it's towards you. I don't know. Yeah, your family works with a group of energies that stalk and occupy your home with fentanyl citrate, iPhones, your Wi-Fi, radiation machines, scatter boxes, sells your energy to astral rapists, allows anyone to astral project to you while you're asleep for money through Bitcoin, PayPal, online banking. You figured it out and they claim you run the whole thing. Your cousin neighbor is constantly involved here, always driving around doing some weird shit. There's something regarding film, a knife, rink, rig, IV, link, NV, Nevada, REV, a reverend, leg, L firm, Irvine, the FN key on your computer, and a river and a liver. Those are letters that came out through some of these flashcards. I'll do 2 more and then I'll do tarot. Something about a Dodge Ram Hemi, their horn or honking. They hired a ghost driver in SD, or they go from SD to TJ, or their initials are SD or TJ. This ghost rider could possibly follow you around and like cause problems for you, or use some sort of, I don't know, machine or something to cause problems with your car. And there's something regarding a mirror. I know when I'm driving sometimes, it's ridiculous. I can barely even keep my wheels straight. On the freeway, usually it happens the most. Or like, I'll be at a stoplight and the gas will really accelerate or the brake will really hit hard, and it's just super annoying. It happens often. A lot of weird stuff happens around my place for sure. I hope no one's experiencing this, but this is just, I notice through this platform that a lot of weird stuff's going on. So let's see. Please show me. Half sibling always says, hey, did you know that Chantel and her family go out in the trees at night and wear robes and stuff? Maybe that's the one that is with the done player or something. Okay. Show me. Half sister always says, hey, did you know those people go out to the trees at night and wear robes and stuff? Please and thank you. Regarding this energy here, a mirror, film, a knife, the group that stalks your home, your iPhone, your Wi-Fi, sells your energy through astral projecting, a YouTube artist. Please show me this energy. Your half-sister always says, hey, did you know these people go out in the trees at night and wear robes and stuff? 2 of Wands. This is probably for higher knowledge. Maybe they're into some sort of, obviously, but maybe they claim to be spiritual, but they're maybe a little on the dark side, this family. Or they just do it for pleasure. Or for, like, I don't know, for physical appearance. Maybe they do stuff like that. Definitely pets. Something regarding pets. Look at these. And they probably do this for love, too. A King of Swords is involved here. Maybe that's the done player or something. For hopes, wishes, groups, clubs, societies, network, intellect, happiness, divorces, business partnerships. I wouldn't be surprised if the Pentacle came after that, especially if, you know, I feel like it's for money. They're involved in this stuff. Seven of Swords. It's like these people may be attacking you because they want to talk about you. They want people to not see you in a certain way because they don't like what you do, obviously, or what you speak about. Design, attempt, desire, hope, faith, small talk, fantasies, a plan which might fail, and bore. So I think these people just like doing this shit to people like you and I, or if you're into reading cards or you're into listening to these readings, just people really don't like it, I don't think. Show me the Seven of Swords. The Hangman, Cancer energy, or Pisces. Yeah, Pisces energy. Yep, definitely sacrifice. Sacrificing is going on with that. They want to beat you up or see you beat up or on the ground. For occult, for business, land, heritage, ancestry, your home, sacrifice. Moon magic, probably. Murder, kidnapping, endings, exile, secret romances. Please show me the Hangman. Seven of Wands. Could want you to just go away. Go away. But everywhere you go, there's reptilians trying to bite at your ankles. They might want to put you in some water or some shit. They want you to run to the water, or Two of Cups. Something about a union for the occult. Maybe they want, someone wants this player or something that may like you to be a part of their activities, where they go out in the trees at night and wear robes and stuff. Please show me the Two of Cups. Two of Cups. A King of Cups. A King of Cups does some manifestation. And when this family allows people to come into your sleep, astral project to you and do sexual things to you, I think this is the ringleader, a King of Cups, of that issue. This person puts their water energy, if you know what I mean, into cups, I think. For abundance, for the occult, for sex. A magician, possibly. For abundance and emotional stability, for their ego. Six of Wands. I really need to use my glasses more often. Victory, success, clearness, realization of a dream, public honor and summonable obstacles, if I pronounced that correctly. Um, yeah, people are possibly around your energy attacking you in every which way, shape, and form because you could possibly be into tarot reading, and they like to harvest your energy and sell it to people who do some stuff like that, I guess. And that's what I have. So everybody stay protected and look out for signs and be careful online because people are trying to manipulate and look up records of yours. Okay? Have a good day.